Hello friends, that's Arpit Garg. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to solve a 4x4 cube. So let's get started. First, we are gonna shuffle the cube. So in solving a 4x4 cube, it would have 5 to 6 videos. First video would be how to solve the centers, then how to solve the edge centers, then the corners, then the base layer, then the second layer, then the top layer, and even a separate video for the parities, as 4x4 cube has two parities. One is that one of the edge center is not aligned and one is corners are not aligned. It may happen that both the parities are faced in single attempt of solving the cube. So let's get started. First, we are gonna solve the centers. In order to solve the centers, the only thing you need to remember is never ever think yourself the move I am telling is, according to me, a thing which we say in Hindi is Ramban for solving the centers. So in order to solve the center, choose any of the color on any of the side and simply solve 4 of the centers. You need to place all the 4 pieces of same color on every center. So in order to solve white, first locate any other white piece that's here. So simply you need to just make one single assessment that whenever you rotate like this or this, see, you could rotate single side also, both sides also, but I always rotate both because it makes no difference. It is better to rotate single so that you get a better hold, and even further, after solving a bit of cube you face some problem, then very less of the cube will be shuffled. Maybe your edge centers may not be disturbed, but I always use 2. Now you need to make any of the adjustment so that these two come in the rotatable area. Make the piece which you are rotating as a rotatable area. So now one move and now it's in the rotatable area. You know that the centers never change, but in 4x4 they do. But when the piece is rotated from the center, otherwise they don't. You could rotate this, centers never change. But when you rotate this, then only centers change. So that is why these all moves are allowed. They make no difference to your cube when you have started solving it and you are at the first stage of solving the centers. So now first the pieces to be matched. After single move, it could be also double move. Currently single, then the rotatable area and then back. Now 2 of the white are placed. Locate more. One is here. I mostly use right, so right is my rotatable area. Now see, now our 2 of the pieces are in rotatable area. Make sure only single piece in the rotatable area. Now our 3 of the white pieces are placed. Now locate one more. That's here. So you don't need to first make it here, here, here or here. You could simply place it here from here, like this. I am gonna use this as my rotatable area, and it is to be here. Oh wow, that's already here. Now my white center is solved. Now for orange. Now for the blue one, my rotatable area, and it's here, solved into my rotatable area and back. One major thing you need to remember in solving the centers is always move the center back when you have moved a piece which could disturb the center. Like if I want to place yellow, here my two of the pieces are aligned. I could think so now also my two pieces are aligned. But don't ever think so, because it is gonna disturb many, or even may not, but it could, and even it will.
It is gonna, it may not be, it could, it will. What is this? Let's say
4 of the centers are solved.
2 are pending.
Now, if I move this, then 3 are unsolved. Before there were only 2. Now look. 4 of the centers are unsolved. Now, if I move this one, now just 3 are unsolved. See, 1 is solved, no other piece is disturbed. Now, see, two are solved, 4 are unsolved. Now, if I place this like this, 3 are solved, 3 are unsolved. But instead of placing it like this, if I place the red one, holding like this, now red is placed, but blue is solved, no third center is solved. Hence, it disturbed. But in first case, it didn't. So, don't ever think of moving this. Like just moving this. Simply rotatable area, arrange, and then back. Now yellow is also made. There is no limitation at this stage for the color on any side. Simply solve the centers. So now our all the centers are solved. In the next video, you could see how to solve the corner center. It's also a very easy step. So thanks for watching. Please like my video, subscribe my channel and watch more videos.